Hi there. What, you're going so soon?
At Ring, we reinvented the doorbell, and now we're reinventing home security with Ring Alarm. Protecting the things that matter most is simpler than ever. Here's how. Make it yours. Every home is different. Every family's unique. So choose the Ring Alarm that fits your needs. Go small, go medium, go big. Whoever you are, wherever you live, there's a Ring Alarm for you.
Even me?
Sure, if you've got Wi-Fi.
I do.
And install it yourself. He can do it. She can do it. They can sorta do it.
Higher. Perfect. Ooh, it needs to go over here, actually.
And it's just as easy to take down and pack up.
So I can take it with me when I move?
It's all yours, with absolutely no contracts or long-term commitments.
Yeah, commitment's not really my thing.
It's all on your phone. The Ring app puts your Ring alarm and all your Ring cameras seamlessly into one place. Monitor everything no matter where you are.
Excuse me one moment.
See your stuff from here.
Excuse me. Yeah, can you please put that down?
Check in on the house from here.
Dude, did you leave the door open?
And lock your door from here.
I can do that?
Yep.
Cool.
It's more than just security. Ring Alarm doesn't just keep your home safe from this guy. It keeps it safe from flood, freeze, and fire. There's even a panic button, just in case of catastrophes. Right, okay, moving on. It's smart. Like if your hands are full, just tell Alexa smart.
Alexa, arm Ring away.
Ring is armed in away mode.
Or if your alarm is triggered, your lights and camera turn on smart. Or you can tell this guy he's not so smart.
Not so smart, dude.
Sorry, I'll be a better person!
And if you're not by your phone, this guy will send these guys to the rescue smart.
Hey.
Hey.
So you can relax knowing that you've got Ring Alarm. The simplest, most affordable, home protecting, crime deterring, smoke detecting, flood sensing, frozen pipe alerting, family rescuing, peace of mind giving, Alexa integrating, life-saving security system that we've ever invented.